Breaking away from the usual dark tones of the cooler season, Nike revamps the iconic Shox R4 with a bold new colorway that demands attention. The total orange and hyper pink edition lights up the lineup with a vibrant mix of orange leather and mesh paired with hyper pink Shox columns and accents. Eye-catching paint splatter detailing decorates the midsole, spine, and sidewalls, adding a creative twist to this street-ready sneaker. A gradient pink outsole completes the look, delivering a futuristic vibe that sneaker fans will love. Set to release during the holiday 2025 season in women's sizing, this pair comes with a retail tag of $180, slightly above the usual MSRP, but worth every cent for its standout design and statement-making energy. Perfect for collectors and trendsetters, the Nike Shox R4 proves that bold colors never go out of season.